In this video, I will be teaching you how to connect make.com to Instagram. So let's just begin. Now here, as you can see, we have our scenario builder. If you do not know how to get started with that, you simply need to head over to your scenario section and create a new scenario. And from there, you can click onto this plus icon, and here we have different applications available. Let's just search for Instagram, and here you can see we have our Instagram for business and many other applications as well. So we can go with the Instagram, and you can choose a function. Let's just say you want to create a post, a photo post. Then you can add a node. You can even connect it with other nodes, and you can see just like that. So click onto this, and you can see we need configuration for that. So click on connect automatically. Now before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description to get first month free on your pro plan. So that is something really amazing. So click automatically and create a connection, and that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.